Hello friends, in today's video I'll show you how I found an easy way to get a $100 coupon for Doordash. The best part? It's totally free and it works with any amount on your order for any product. Before I dive into the details, make sure to like this video, then subscribe so you won't miss out on more tips like this. Alright, let's get started. Right now I'm using my PC just to show you how it works, but keep in mind that the only way to actually get this coupon is by using your phone or tablet. So the website I'm using is called savebig50.com. I'll type it in and show you exactly how to find any coupon you need. When you're on the site, you'll see all sorts of coupons for different stores. Go ahead and search for Doordash, and then click on See Coupons to view all the options. Now, let's click on Get Code for the $100 off coupon. To unlock it, we just need to complete a quick task. Don't worry, it's super easy and completely free. After finishing the task, I received my promo code. It was literally that simple. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.